Okay, the first task is to extract the sensitive data from server prod.local. Just copy it and go to the lab. Okay, it just takes some time to load. Okay, open the terminal. Let's just do nmap -p to list all the ports, available ports, and then the domain name. Okay, just enter. It just takes some time. Hey, resources on server.prod. Okay. We are exposed to resources, so we going to find exposed resources right now. So we just find out that SMB services is available. Windows remote means Windows remote management, like remote management control. So first of all, just log in with SMB client, because we SMB ports is available right now. So just log in with SMB port. Okay, we just listed. We can see that without the password we can able to list what are the share names are available. So now just use a SMB map to list all the disk names, and then we have to find the access for read access and write access. What kind of access will be available for certain share names. So -d it's denoting for a host name, like a domain. And H is to denote the host. Okay, now we can able to see that the read only access and no access. So utilities user temp, we can able to read that file. Normally we can visit and read that file. So what we can do now, just go with SMB client and interact with the certain share names. SMB, sorry, it's my mistake. SMB client. Okay, hyphen. No, I think it's a server. That's like a domain name. Server.pro.local hyphen user users. So there is, we can use, we don't know the password, so just use -n. Still it's not working. I just think I just messed up with the format of SMB client.
2,000 years later.
No, I just missed the users. I just missed a yes. Now we just visit the SMB client and just explore the flag1.txt. We have to find that. Okay, it's not available over there. So now we just go for another share names, utilities. Okay, just copy it and go over there, paste it.
Nice.
Yeah, finally we just get the flag1.txt. Use the command get flag.txt. Now we visit, we just download the flag1.txt. Just do get flag1.txt, copy it and paste to the tab. Okay, we just find that task 1. Now the task 2, obtain the PowerShell session on server prod.local. Okay, we need to get the PowerShell session right now. But another thing, without we knowing any credentials, so what we can do, we have another file start service.ph1, so we have to download the same like a flag1.txt and paste it. Okay, now we have username Jack and password Jack 57. So just copy it. What we can do now, enable WinRM, because we already know that WinRM Windows Remote Management Protocol is available. So just log in with the enable WinRM. So with help of the enable WinRM -I. Just go for a server port.local server. local -u user chat -b and a password. Okay, I have a just do, oh sorry, PROD, just do keyword PROD. Boom, we get a session right now. So it's a PowerShell session, so we can list every directory is present here. Just go to the home directory right now. Okay. Yeah, we find the flag2.txt as well. And get a flag2.txt. Just copy and paste to that tab. Okay. Task 3 is to identify the misconfiguration resources on webpro.local. Okay, copy it. Okay, now we're going to ping that server. Because it is a new server, we have to know it is reachable or not. So it is by pinging we can see that it is not reachable because it is in an internal. I guess it is an internal machine. Okay, what we can do, just open MSF console, right? I think it's a web delivery protocol, like web delivery module, I think. ECPPT. It's a web delivery. Search web delivery, I think. Yeah, it's in fifth one. So first of all, the exploit target currently in a Python, we're going to set a target to 2 because it is a PowerShell session. Okay, now we just go for show options. Yeah, now we can see it is a PowerShell session. Now set a host to Ethernet 1 to our host machine, attacker machine, and for a server host is also the same, ETH1. Okay, Ethernet 1 and hit run. Okay, I just forget a payload. Set a payload. It is a Windows machine. We can do sysinfo or system info, I think. I'd say just go with the system info. System info. Okay, it's there. So we just guess like just go with the Windows 64, Windows into 64. Windows 64 meetup. I just think PowerShell reverse TCP or meetup beta reverse TCP. Okay. Now we get the PowerShell code. Just copy it and paste to the Kitty machine. Hit enter and go back to the machine. Now we can see we can get a meetup beta session 1. So type sessions. Yeah, we have one session. So we interact the session 1. We have a list of options is also available. Just go for this info right now. Now you can see it is a Windows Server 2019 64-bit architecture. Okay, just go for IP address. EPA command. Let's see the list of commands. What other commands are available? So now we can see the routing table as well. Uh, shell. So let's try to ping the pro.com. Yeah, we getting the reply. So it is an internal machine. So we're going to route the traffic to this session 1. Set a session 1. So now currently we just auto route to the traffic. Let's see. It's not working. So we're going to add a SOX proxy. Underscore proxy, I think. Yeah, it's a SOX underscore proxy. Set a session 1. When you pass the session, we go for session 1. So that we goes to Ethernet 1. And then we try. Okay, we just started the SOX proxy server as well. Okay, what we can going to do now, just open a browser, go to settings, network tab. We're going to configure the auto SOX proxy and proxy configurations. Okay, it's a default port be given. The IP address of the host. Click OK. And to do a port scan with the help of SOX proxy. I think it's not SOX proxy, it's from auto root. show options. Okay, set the host to that IP webpro.local. Just copy it and paste it over. Okay, hit run. Just wait for a few seconds. Yeah, we can get the output like 80 port is open and 139, 135 as well. Just go over the hit run. Yeah, we can able to interact with the internal server. So it's like a ISS Windows server. I think it's enough for port scan. .445 SMB services is also available. Okay, just let's close the port scan and go to interact with the SMB client. Let's see what we can do. Menu tab. Yeah, it's default in 1950. Actually, our port is 180 or 1080, I think so. 1080. Now we're going to interact with the I think there is a error in the configurations. I just misconfigured the file in proxy chain. Let's retry to solve this. So now we're going to add a SOX5 proxy to the proxy chain. Now we configure the current port is 9050. So just integrate 9050 as well. The 6 and save the file. And let's see it works or not. No, it's not works. Try to ping the port 80 now. Okay, -pn. Okay, it's not working, but the state is filtered. Firewall is filtered our request. Let's try with SMB client. No, it's not working now. Okay. Actually, we used to configure the proxy chain with the host of call Linux as a IP address. Just configure the proxy chain IP address as a call Linux as a host. So we need to change the localhost IP to the call Linux as a host. Yeah, this one. Just copy and paste it over the proxy chain configurations. Let's try. No, still it's not working. Actually, this is the format to run SMB map. No, still it's a error. Now we just use a SOX5, so just help me the SOX4. Now save and use the same SMB client. Now it's working. Yeah, just messed up with the configurations. Now it's all working. Yeah, now we get a flag 3.txt. Task 4 is to compromise a web server. What we can do, we just upload the web shell to the SMB. For example, we just get the image installed, download the image and visit the page to confirm it is linked to the web server. Yeah, it's confirmed. And what we can do, we're going to upload a web shell to the page. ASPX. So now we're going to upload the command.asp to the web server using SMB. First of all, just copy the command.asp to the home directory. So it is easy to upload to the SMB. No, it's not available. I think it's in outside. Now it's in a root directory. Yeah, now it's available. Command asp.aspx. What we can do now, just upload that file to the server. Yeah, now it's uploaded. Copy it and visit the web page. Reload it. Just takes some time, I guess. Or else we can go with the proxy chain with the Firefox. No, it's already working. Now we're going to visit the home directory and get the flow.txt. Okay, currently we are in system32 folder. Yeah, now we can able to see the flag4.txt. Now we're going to type flag4.txt. Yeah, copy and paste it over the tab. Now we complete the lab. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you all in the next video.